Hi friends, I am Jilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to distribute the columns equally on your table in WPS Office Writer. So if you are adjusting the columns on your table, so it will be like a collapse and the spacing will not be adjusted while you adjusting it manually. So but options which make it distribute the equal spacing on your table column spacing. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So I inserted a table here, so you can see the spacing is so different. You can't do manually and make it as correct accurate spacing for everything. So you just need to make a distribute the column equally on spacing. This is a super method to make every spacing equal. So I just going to insert another table so you can easily understand how to make it. So you can see I just adjusting the columns of the table in different portion. So but I need a equal spacing for this column. So how to make it with a one click? This is a super option. Just click anywhere on the table and right click on the mouse. You can see a option called autofill. So in this option you just need to click on that, distribute the columns evenly. This is the option. So after clicking this, the column automatically equally the space will be equally in space, or it will be distributed equally and evenly. And you can make it as here also. I just click here, right click here, go to the autofill option, and now I just want to distribute the column evenly. So now every spacing is become even and also inaccurate. So this is most used method and also option on to the table. You can try this on your WPS Office Writer now. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.